Hello everyone and welcome to the language station. If you are inquisitive to learn different languages, then this is the right place to be. And my name is Prithvi. I'm the faculty for French language and I'll help you learn some French words and phrases that'll keep you going. So let's quickly begin. So today's lesson is about acte de communication or the act of communication. Suppose you run into a person while you are roaming on the streets of France, or let's say that's the love of your life, but you don't know how to introduce yourself, then that's a complete fiasco, right? So we will learn how to introduce ourselves and how should we ask about how somebody else is doing, right? So let's begin. So the first part is introducing yourself. That we do by saying, Bonjour, je m'appelle Prithvi. Or, bonjour, mon nom est Prithvi. Now, je m'appelle means I call myself. So you can use mon nom est, but I would suggest you stick to je m'appelle because that is the basic thing you need to say when you meet somebody, right? So to quickly revise it again, Bonjour, je m'appelle Prithvi. Now, the second part, introducing where do you belong to and asking about how the other person is doing. So, bonjour, je m'appelle Prithvi, je suis indien. Comment ça va? Now, this comment ça va means how are you doing? You can also say, vous allez bien? Comment allez-vous? Or, tu vas bien? Now, one thing that you need to notice, tu and vous in this have the same meaning but their connotation is different. For example, tu we use for people who we greet informally and who we use with people who we treat formally. So tu means you but to an informal way and who means you but in a formal way. So that we use with our elders, with the people who patronize us and so on. So quickly coming back to the topic. Bonjour, je m'appelle Prithvi, je suis indien. Comment allez-vous? And how do you reply to that? Bonjour, je m'appelle, and you add your name, je vais bien, or you say, tu allez bien, or you can also say, ça va comme ci comme ça, that means it is so-so, and if you're not feeling good at all, you can say, ça va mal, that means nothing is good, or it's not good, or I am not good. So, je vais bien, je suis bien, ça va bien, or ça va mal. So, revise the whole thing and I'll see you in the next session. Until then, this is Prithvi saying thank you so much.